What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. There's something I've been wanting to do on the car for a pretty long time already, and those are eyelids for the headlights. I'm pretty much going to be using what is vinyl roll for stickers, like the ones you do for the cars and stuff like that. Just a minor difference of the vinyl wrap. You can heat it up, restretch it. I kind of was playing around with some of the regular vinyl for stickers, and it does stretches, so I'm just gonna go for it. So we're gonna be playing with this pretty much and just see how it goes. Let's get to it. Now, to make it easier and more comfortable, let's pop the hood. Now, as you see in my case, it's actually gonna help me out because I'll be covering most of it, at least until I buy some new headlights. I might go with stock ones for a little bit, maybe get them off a junkyard until I get some other aftermarket ones that are not gonna get like this. As you see, the sun has been cracking them and they have scratches as well. I don't know if you can see them in the camera, but there is scratches, there is oxidation and blah blah blah, you know. So this simple mod of the eyelids is gonna actually at least help out with that. So let's get to it. Now for materials, it's a pretty simple list. Just get 2 strips of vinyl. Now make sure that the bottom part it's perfectly straight, at least for the bottom ones. The ones that are actually gonna be like down here, the bottom line. Just make sure they're straight. The top doesn't really matter that much because we're gonna be folding that over and covering whatever needs to be covered, and then you just slice off whatever is extra and you don't need. So you will need some blades or an X-Acto knife and maybe something like this, like a panel removal tool. And also I will recommend a little bit of alcohol and wipe the headlights. So now let's keep it moving. We're gonna go ahead and start with the driver's side. Also, I forgot to mention, a thin layer of painter's tape is gonna be very helpful, because that way you'll line it up and you bring it down as much as you want, or as much as the strip of vinyl that you cut out lets you go down. So in my case is probably like almost 3 inches, not all the way. So grab painter's tape. You can go a little over, pretty much gonna be the guide, so you don't go over misalign it. Make sure it's nice and straight. I had already cleaned the headlight, so that's why I didn't wipe it. So that's gonna be your guideline, and then you're pretty much going to want to jump to the other headlight and do the same thing. Of course, we're gonna go ahead and grab the alcohol, grab a rag or whatever you have around. Make sure it's clean. Wipe with some alcohol right quick. Just go ahead and wipe the whole. Well, not the entire tail light. I mean, not the entire headlight, but while you're here already, why not the whole top, over, and just kind of dry it off. Now make sure it doesn't have any lint or anything stuck to it. If not, it will show through. Even though some of these cracks and stuff are still gonna be showing through. And now that is wiped off, I'm gonna go ahead, do the same thing we did on the other side. Now, here's where you're gonna wanna grab the panel removal tool. You don't have to, but if you want, you can bring it in a little bit. Can't really bring it in here. That'll be Do the same thing real quick on the other side, and that's entirely up to you. All right, now let's go to the other side. So now that we got the painter's tape already aligned, that is going to help us so that when we put the vinyl, it's nice and leveled and both sides are equal. There we go. Boom, boom. These vinyl are very thin, and it's going to be a little bit tricky to line it up, but remember, you can stretch it, and I'm pretty sure also that you might be able to heat it up. So let's see, just try and line up the bottom for now real quick, and I'm going to have to break it. There we go. Line up that bottom line, just hold it right there, come around, line it, pull back, stretch. Like I said, it's gonna be a little tricky, but just be patient. You might have to pull it back and forth a couple of times, but keep it stretched. Right there. Now, just work it however you can. You can. Now, stretch it up. Said it's going to be tricky, hard, but don't get discouraged. There we go. Stretch it out. Don't worry about what's left over the fender and other areas, but just keep going. Looks nice, nice and even here. My suggestion would be to leave some over this, completely like that for now, and we will decide what to remove once we're done. And I'll be here and just keep working it. It nice and straight. You're gonna wanna take it to the crease there. Take a blade. Create some cuts. Stretch it first, down. I'll start creating some cuts to alleviate and make some folds. And you can keep using the removal tool, the panel removal tool, and working it in, working all the creases and corners in. here, all you have to do, just keep pulling back. Now for this bend, pretty much do that. It doesn't have to be too perfect, but that's pretty much going to be covered anyways when you close the hood down. Now, let me see if I can work. There we go. It's a little better. Now, you're going to want to come around here, work with this. This out, or if you can bring it in first. There we go. You're gonna want to cut itself anyways, but come around, follow this line right here, kind of made for it already. There we go. Just remove what you don't need. Now I'm gonna work from that crease around, work around that, be right there. So pretty much this, you can just bend that in, fold it, or we can do that with the panel tool. Now we'll just follow the same guide, which is this corner here. On this way, it'll be more comfortable, that way you guys can see it. Just come around here. It doesn't have to be perfectly cut, but there you go. That is the first one. Not too bad, not too bad. You'll still have some of the scratches and stuff like that showing through, but hey, this is just to have fun. It's not to be taken serious like that. Little bubble there. But hey, you got something. Just fold that in. Boom. Got yourself a do-it-yourself eyelid. Bam. That's it. And now you can just take the tape off, and that's it. Let's take a look and see how that looks with the hood closed. So here's a closer look. It's not too bad. And you can always remove it or redo it, as long as you have more liner roll. And now, let's do the other one. Now you can also remove the painter's tape. And that's it. Now let's close the hood and see how it looks. So that is it for this video. Super random. Hope you guys like it. It's kind of hard to come up with some content while all this COVID-19 thing is going on. Hope you like it. If you do, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't to stay up to date. So that's it. Till the next video. Peace out.